So one thing that maybe has not been made clear enough is that we do run an end-to-end property investing service here. Now, what do I mean by end-to-end? End-to-end basically means is that every conceivable product and service that you might need access to when you're building your property portfolio, we either have staff internally that will handle that, or we have partners that we will refer you to that will handle that for you. And it's a seamless transition. I'll give you an example. So you buy a property and the first thing you have to do is, sign a contract, right? So we've got conveyancers that will handle the contracts. Our conveyancers are experts. They've already pre-reviewed all of these contracts. So they're very well versed in all the terms in the contracts as well. You don't have to use our conveyancers. It's just another option there if you want to use them. Now, after that process is when you have to settle the property. And we have a whole settlements team to support that as well, to make sure that the communications between the banks and the lawyers are done effectively. All you really need to do is just make sure that any paperwork that's passed your way is signed and dated, when they need to be signed. Then you have to rent the property out, and which means you need a property manager. So in all the areas we recommend properties, we've also got local property managers that's going to help you to find the tenants, and it's a very seamless transition, right? So we'll introduce you with the property managers beforehand, give you all the paperwork to sign, all the agreements. We also make sure that we lock in really good competitive rates for the local area as well, because we have many members using these property managers. It's not just one or two, but we've got dozens of people in every single area that we're recommending property in, utilizing these property managers. So they're giving us good rates and good service at the same time. And the property will be handed over and transitioned to those property managers in a very seamless way. Our staff will contact their staff, and that will be all handled pretty seamlessly. Then after that, things like building inspectors, go and doing your pre-settlement inspections. We've got recommended building inspectors that we can recommend to you that will handle all of the inspections for you as well. Then things like when it comes to tax time, you need an accountant, you need to do depreciation reports and stuff like that. We've got people in the industry that we know that we can refer you that can handle all of that for you at really competitive rates. Even stuff like insurances, landlord insurance, building insurance, pretty much every product and service that you need to use or to buy to build your property portfolio, we do have you covered.